Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Harmony price prediction in Harmony news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Harmony in 2022. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications, dApps. The network aims to take an innovative approach to running decentralized applications and focuses on random state sharding, which allows new blocks to be created in seconds. Stephen C. is the founder and CEO of Harmony. He holds a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania in cryptographic protocols and type theory. Upon graduation, C. became a research intern at Microsoft. In 2006, he began working as a senior engineer at Google and has been with the company for 4 years. In 2011, he founded Spotster, a successful search engine that was later acquired by Apple. In 2014, C. became Apple's chief engineer. He founded Harmony in 2017. The founding team of Harmony is made up of 12 people, 7 of whom are ex-Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon employees. Footprint in Africa, Paxful, as well as Friends cryptocurrency exchange, which uses an off-the-shelf third-party solution. Now we're told Cointelegraph that his exchange will be as decentralized as possible, and knows that while competition may be tough, the demand for Bitcoin is so large in Senegal that it doesn't matter how many exchanges you make. Indeed, while the sub-Saharan country of about 17 million people is familiar with Bitcoin, it's hardly up to speed with the digital currency. Plus, Naur says literacy rates are very low, one of the biggest barriers to adoption. Furthermore, while the national language is officially French, the majority of Senegalese speak Wolof, a local language. There are sparse Bitcoin educational resources in Wolof. Nauru, therefore, started a YouTube channel in Wolof to educate his countrymen about Bitcoin. For vendors, the Bitcoin quest began in Les Almadies, a wealthy, expat area of Dakar, where foreign travelers are common and literacy rates are high. He's approached beach bars, restaurants and barber shops, happy to come day or night, if there is ever a problem with BitPay or Lightning terminals. In the restaurant Prina, see picture to cash immediately, whether to purchase necessities or to secure access to personal funds before fleeing the country. If someone is suffering the insurmountable effects of war, downloading a MetaMask wallet might not be the first thing that occurs to them, especially if they haven't used crypto before. Nevertheless, Ukraine ranks fourth on the global list of countries that have already adopted crypto, meaning a significant number of Ukrainian citizens at least have the option to utilize this alternative finance method in order to survive. While access might not be expansive, the option is potentially life-saving for those who have it. The other edge of the sword, multiple Russian banks have been disconnected from SWIFT, the global messaging system connecting financial institutions. While this sanction cuts off affected banks from the global economy, it also impacts individuals domestically by disrupting transactions made on any card issued by major credit card networks like Visa, MasterCard or American Express. With only 20 to 25% of domestic transactions and messaging existing outside of SWIFT, Russian citizens appropriately flock to ATMs, withdrawing a total of almost 3 trillion rubles, or $23 billion at the time of writing. 2022 Thailand would prohibit the usage of digital assets as a means of payment for goods and services. According to a report by Bloomberg on 23 March, Thailand Regulatory Board issued rules to ban digital assets for payment of goods and services. This new development will come into play at the start of next month. In a joint press release, the Thailand Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the Bank of Thailand, BOT, said, business operators including crypto exchanges must not provide such payment services and are barred from acting in a manner that promotes digital assets to pay for goods or services. However, the new regulation won't affect trading or investments in digital assets. Until the end of April, companies and local businesses had to comply with the new rules. The development pricing units other than the Thai BOT would increase the cost of economic activities. The rising crypto adoption, indeed, met a major obstacle here in the region. As of April 1st, Thailand would prohibit the usage of digital assets as a means of payment for goods and services. At the same time, it reduced the efficiency of monetary policy transmission. Cryptocurrency operators should halt advertising, soliciting or establishing a system to facilitate payment of the same. Instead, they must warn clients against the use of digital assets for payments, the market share of its bigger rival due to its fast and cheap transactions despite the centralization trade-off. The next news about metaverse banking, HSBC enters the sandbox as JP Morgan tests Decentraland. With major financial institutions increasingly moving into the metaverse, UK bank HSBC is the first global financial services provider to enter virtual world The Sandbox, following in the steps of US-based banking giant JP Morgan, which recently set up a lounge in another virtual world, Decentraland, Mono. The British bank said it sees great potential to create new experiences through emerging platforms, opening up a world of opportunity for our current and future customers, and for the communities we serve. The bank will acquire a plot of land, virtual real estate in the Sandbox metaverse, which will be developed to engage and connect with sports, experts, and gaming enthusiasts, per their announcement. HSBC is joining the ranks of more than 200 partners of Animoca brands-operated virtual worlds such as Warner Music Group, Adidas, Ubisoft, and Gucci. The partnership with HSBC could be particularly important for the Sandbox's increased integration with the global financial infrastructure. With some United States dollars 2.960 trillion in assets, as of the end of 2021, the UK business is one of the world's largest banking and financial services organizations. Meanwhile, this past February intertwined with charity, with companies like XMANNA, a metaverse gaming platform, giving back 40% of its profits to users via rewards. Now, Crypto's once low-key charitable site is being weaponized publicly to support Ukrainian refugees and innocent Russians alike. The Ukrainian Front Ukrainians are utilizing crypto as a financial lifeline, as they are forced to abandon life, as they know it. Outside of the war, many are donating crypto such as Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, to the Ukrainian government and NGOs, amounting to $108 million. And, thanks to the transparency of blockchain, we're now able to better track how these donations are being spent than we would have just 15 years ago. Ukraine has already spent $15 million of the amount raised on military equipment. The speed and ease with which more traditional donation platforms like Today we will discuss the Harmony price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. Harmony Course Forecast 2022. One has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Harmony, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 21 cents. One is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 21 cents. One rate prediction 2023. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Harmony will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2023, one is expected to peak at 30 cents. The minimum bet could go up to $0.25 if the market turns bullish. Harmony price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Harmony could cross 43 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 38 cents. Harmony price prediction 2025 and 2025. With wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, Harmony price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach 63 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 56 cents with a maximum price of 63 cents for 2025.